why did the snake have to tempt Eve with the apple in the Garden of Eden, man? No need to think. No need to have rain clothes on. Go to work. Could have just been, you know, like retarded in a beautiful garden, riding tigers, eating honey, doing Muay Thai. And instead we had to think, you know, eat that apple, snakes say. And all of a sudden, we're naked, we better get a 9 to 5 and sit in the cubicle. Shit. Well. At least get to commute in the rain. And that's not bad. It's better than taking the bus, that's for sure. I'd rather ride, you know, full-on rain clothes, rain pants, rain jacket, getting a little drizzle in the face, you know. Wake up, time to smile and dial. Than sitting on the bus over there, you know. No AC on the bus, packed with people, sweaty, smelly, and a lot of phones glaring, you know. Everybody listening to TikTok with no speaker in. Man, they ate too little of the apple, too little thinking. It is what it is. There's always a solution. Plus that bus takes 1 hour 15 minutes to get to where I need to be. After some changes, you know, I can't take that the whole way. I have to change a lot. Whereas bike, man, I get there really quick. You come back to this. Yeah, damn. They coming, you know, straight after one another. It's a snake, POV. Go to Spain soon. Never been. That's not true. I've been to Spain. Latina I'm seeing right now is Spanish. Very nice girl. Had her sit on the back on the RidstarQ20, you know, test the suspension. It can handle 2 people for sure, no worries. All these older women look jealous. They want to be on the back of the RidstarQ20 too. I think some energy waves in the universe sends out to all the other ladies that Snake ever met or ever been talking to, you know. Like one of them, you know, I had to block her everywhere. She was too crazy, you know, mucho loca. Now I see, like yesterday, she starts messaging me Revolut, man, you know, like sending like money request, you know, like I want to write some message, you know, I don't read it. I just block it, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. Have a bike to ride, a steak to eat, cigar to smoke, you know. And the thing, you know, with that woman drama is it drains you very much when they argue with you. They drain you more than anything else. That's why they have the song, you know, like you got the girl problem, I feel bad for your son, 99 problems, what a bitch ain't one. That's very true. So now I've locked this old X on Revolut too, man. What's next? Gonna be a damn carrier pigeon coming over, you know, dropping a load on my balcony. It is what it is. You know, like don't be jelly when you see like some pretty girl somewhere, you know, like it doesn't matter how pretty she is, somewhere there's a snake that's tired of her bullshit, you know. And it's also interesting, like I write to you know, some ladies here, like some Brazilian one, and I say, you know, come over for a cup of coffee, or you know, go meet me in this nightclub. And you know, she pretends she fancy everything. No, I don't do that. Oh, I'm gonna make it. I don't go to nightclubs. I don't go home to people, you know. And to that I say, if she wanted to, she would. Her competition is coming home to the snake house, the trap house, for a cup of coffee, you know, making it easy for me, you know, because she wants to. Whereas this other Brazilian, you know, I don't think she liked me that much, so she put up this resistance. She probably just wants a free meal, you know, like to be taken to some nice place or something like this. So I just write, okay, and then I don't write anything for like months. Then I get message again, you know. It's like a sales funnel, you know. But man, trust me, these one that don't really like you, it's never worth it, you know. So I don't plan on doing anything over there, man. Just a waste of time. You know, maybe if I go out with some amigo, you know, I send a picture of amigo, but you like my friend, you know, we meet up in the club. Never mind, it's gonna be, no, I don't like go to club. Raining a lot now. Still better than taking a bus. Man, you know, bike training a little bit faster now, and not as fast. I gained too much weight. 88.5 kilos this morning. Don't know what that is in American freedom units, but it's too much, man. So now the bike struggle, you know. It has to lift heavier to carry the snake. It is what it is. Here I gotta be careful. Just saw, you know, like some women in the wheel not looking, so you know what, right? I let them pass before me. Cars are hard, people are soft. And, you know, there's plenty of ice cream for me to eat, Latinas to meet, cigars to smoke, family time to be spent. And I don't need to be in a car crash then, you know. It's gonna take time away. And as you see on the channel, plenty of car crash here. And they put up the don't drink and drive signs too, you know, like surprised nobody comment on those. Or when we catch some people out smoking weed when I joyride, you know, they're everywhere. I smell it every second quarter. No, it's not quarter, it's second street. Yeah, street corner. Smell the smell of weed, you know, somebody out there. Yeah, out there smoking, man, you know. And to be fair, you know, I'm not judging, like look at this weather. You gotta have something going, man, otherwise you're gonna feel very empty, especially in a place like this. So I understand a lot of people do that kind of stuff, you know, instead of walking with Jesus. That's right. You gotta do the devil lettuce. No, it is what it is. This is where I should actually ride on the road, in this roundabout. It's gonna happen, man, one day. Now, you know, just back from repair, changing tire, all of that stuff. To relax a little bit, get more comfortable riding. But pretty soon, man, pretty soon I'm gonna be riding on the road. Get that experience. Get ready for a longer trip. I'm gonna go to Wicklow Mountain, Maynooth Castle, Phoenix Park again. Plenty of stuff to see when you have a bike. Go home to a lot of Latinas. You wait there, mamacita, I take the bike. N on the car in Ireland stands for new driver, and the L, it stands for a learner. So it's good, you know, you spot like a car with the N on. Just relax a little bit, you know, it's a new driver. BMW here. Just like that, man. You know, very interesting that they don't have the striped path or anything like that for you to cross as pedestrian, make it easy, you know. It is what it is. Snake POV out.